how to close your VK account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can close your VK account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to close your VK account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up the VK application and make sure that you're signed in. Then come to the profile icon from here. Once you come to the profile icon to the profile page, tap on the three dots option from the top right, then go to this option that says edit profile. Then once you come to edit profile, simply go to this option that says security, and once you go to the security option over here, you will be able to see all this information, where you just have to scroll down to the bottom, look for the option that says delete VK ID account and then tap on it, then tap on the delete account option to delete it. That's all it takes to close your VK ID account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.